Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your weekly reading from 28th of September till 4th of October, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so what is there for my Cancerians in the coming week, please? Alright. Okay, so Eight of Wands as the overall energy at the back of the deck over here. So there is some that energy over here where all of a sudden things changed, and the more you were waiting, you were waiting for these things really from a long time, and all of a sudden what is happening, the things are actually coming in your favor. Things are, if they're not coming in your favor, but they are happening, they have started to happen. Things are really coming up. The more they were hidden before, now it's like coming up, because your past energies over here are Three of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and Seven of Pentacles. So you were waiting, you were patient, you were growing within yourself, everything was happening like this, and suddenly the wheel turned. And your present energies are Ten of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. It's like, somebody is trying to come to you, is trying to offer you some donation, or it's like something is happening. It's more about the universe which is actually playing all the things, but you wanted some kind of you want some kind of an ending, and it's like the universe is offering this ending to you, because this is what you are wanting and you're happy for this thing, you want it. Your future energies are Ace of Wands, Temperance, and the Devil. So you are becoming someone in your future energies who is ready to accept new life. You are ready to manifest, you are ready to be a good person, and you are ready to be a bad person as well. Okay, so this is a very different energy right now, because you want to do everything. You want it's like you want to be spiritually connected, plus you want to enjoy the other areas of life as well. So you are in that place in your future. I'm saying you are becoming that one, and that is fine, because if you haven't done anything before and you want to experience all the new areas of life, then it's fine, I guess. Okay, so let's see what are the clarification cards. Okay, sorry, why the Eight of Wands is here in the overall energy. The Judgment, Seven of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords. So yes, you were waiting for some kind of a truth, and truths are actually revealing, because it took already have taken a lot of time in over here. And if this is regarding any judgment, with the Judgment and with the Ace of Swords, it's like a court case being resolved in your favor, coming up in your favor, because you have already waited for this thing, and now it's like somebody is trying to communicate, somebody is trying to come towards you and to talk, to just let's just sit and talk about it. Okay, so some kind of situation This is a very situational thing. For some of you it's not, for everyone, but it is more about that thing, that you were waiting for something and you were expecting that this person should come to you and should talk to you, but it never happened. The day you actually started focusing on your growth, that day things really changed. The wheel just turned in your favor and things started to happen the way you wanted. All right. So the past energies, I don't see, I don't need, there's no need to clarify. Let's see the present. 10 of swords. Why the 10 of swords is in the present energy? Okay, yeah. Queen of swords, 7 of wands, and the 9 of cups. So yes, your your feeling of your wish that I really want some truth to come out, that wish is granted. And you are actually, you were trying to fight before, but finally that fight is actually heard by the universe, is finally heard by the God, by the Almighty, that okay dear, it's your turn, whatever you want to do now. I'm the ball is in your court right now. This is that thing, you wanted to finish this thing, go on and finish it, the truth is out. This is that yes from the universe. Okay. Let's see why the King of Pentacles is here in your present energies. King of Pentacles, please. Temperance. What else do we have? The Temperance, the Chariot, Lovers, and Knight of Cups. So new love is approaching towards you, and this love is really stable this time. Stability is here. It's like God is actually, see how this beautiful card is, this person, see in this card, it's like that is the hand of God, okay, and that is you. It's like how things are actually, God is actually has come for you, so that just take everything, whatever you desire. I'm really putting happiness in your account now. So your bank balance, your happiness bank balance is actually upgrading. So I'm really getting very beautiful cards. Temperance, Chariot, Lovers, 3 are major arcanas with the King of Pentacles. Somebody who is very stable might approach you or is approaching you. This bond is very stable. This bond will take you to heights, career wise, love wise, because it's the lovers. So oh my god, it's 4 of wands at the end as well. So this is the marriage card, and happily ever after card. So things in your present are really, whatever is happening, it's in your favor now. So let's see what is happening in your future energies. Ace of Wands. Why the Ace of Wands here? Wow. The Sun, 10 of Cups, Magician, and Ace of Wands. So with the Ace of Wands, I'm seeing it's a growth. It's the idea of a new family. It's the idea of a new business, new work. How to make your life, how to bring the things, how to manifest, because you are manifesting and you are already, you are giving the manifestation, you are attracting the happiness towards you. I'm seeing you are attracting the wealth, you are attracting love towards you, and that is why love is coming towards you. So this thing, whatever is happening in present, is actually the future thing as well. Let's see why the Temperance is here in your 8 of Wands, the 6 of Pentacles, and the Strength. So this thing is really here for you, to help you, to balance you, to make you more happy. Okay, So that is why this, whosoever, if this is a person in your life or this is a situation, so it's in your favor at the end. Cancer, your reading is really beautiful. Let's see the devil over here in the end. Why the devil is here? Why the devil is here in your future energies, Cancer? Okay. Alright, King of Pentacles, Five of Swords and Four of Pentacles. So this is the energy of someone else I'm getting. So this is that energy where somebody over here is it's still holding on to some bad past, and this person is not letting go of someone. So if this is, because this energy is not yours, this is the energy of someone else over here, and you are really consistent, you are positive, you are manifesting happiness, wealth and money, everything towards you, but there's still that black dot somewhere. So you have to take things very smoothly and the way you want, and try to just be aware of everything. Do not trust, because there might be some trust issues as well. So do not try to trust anyone that fully, because things might be might not go the way you want, unless and until you are actually aware of all those things as well. All right, so this is all, Cancer. This is all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.